Got a train coming on the Iowa Interstate. It's looking like it's gonna be a long one. Let's catch it, go. Let's watch it go by. Ran all the way to the crossing after I heard the horn from downtown. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a long one, Jacob. What do you think?
Looks like there's 3 inches on that fucker.
No, more than that. Oh, there go the crossing lights. It's an Iowa Interstate train.
How come they're not ringing?
I don't know.
Something's wrong.
Maybe the bells on the tracks are broken.
There's 3 inches on that fucker. That motherfucker.
Hey, watch your language. It's going on YouTube.
Fuck, bitch.
Stop. My parents watch these. See if we can walk alongside it. Number 502, 501, and 152. Look at them go.
What a fucking dip in.
Let's get closer to it.
Bitch. Wow.
Yeah, it's a long train. Feel sorry for the people who are stuck by it. Hey Jacob, do you think you could lift this railroad tie?
What?
You think you could lift that railroad tie?
Oh, yeah.
That one's a really old one. How heavy is it?
Yeah. You try and lift it.
I can barely lift it. I never noticed this abandoned train track right here before. Oh, it's just now hitting the other signals.
Yeah. That's a lot. It's gonna stop on the track today.
No, it doesn't look like it's gonna stop. Looks like it's gaining speed to me.
Well, you don't know. I've seen 3 of them actually stop. Because they have to pull at least 2 more.
Well, it's looking to me like
For 3 engines, there's probably at least 40 or 50 cars.
we're probably just now through 40. And there's still tons more to go from down there. What do you think those cars are full of? It's tanker cars. What do you think they're full of?
Mofentino, which is very toxic.
I'm willing to bet it's probably
If these things exploded, it'd probably be like.
to take out half of Moline, probably. Well, no, if these things would explode, it would certainly take out this area. It'd take out from here to Morningstar Apartments would be gone.
Well, not only that, it might even take out some parts of Rock Island.
You never know.
Well, how many train cars wouldn't be unstoppable? How many trains?
Like 4?
That'd be the size of the Chrysler Building. Look how many are fucking here. That's probably more than Empire State Building.
If not, then at least as tall as the Chrysler Building. I mean,
There's the end of it way down there.
Yep, it's coming. Alright, I'm walking back to the crossing. Let me catch it going up. Oh, those are old ones. Holy cow, those are the old ones. From the olden days. Huh? 6 minutes right now. Abandoned railroad track right there. Current train right there. Other train track right there. And another abandoned train track. This is a weird part of Moline. And there they go. At 7 minutes long.